works for BT, but has spent the past 9 months working with LMF, helping to develop her BrickBox centre.
Passion and energy is great, but you also need strategy and you need to have a business sense about what we're doing. And I think that's something that they've really helped us with.
BrickBox are going to be able to get some money, get some, some pay, and then hopefully the benefits that they will see will also benefit local community and society.